Now we're going to switch gears when it comes to limits, because so far we've always talked about taking a limit to a finite value. Like we've always said the limit as x goes to 5 or whatever. And now we actually want to talk about what happens when we talk about the limit as x goes to infinity of f of x, or the limit as x goes to negative infinity of f of x. Now, infinity isn't a number, it's a concept, okay? And here we have to think about what is happening. If we talk about the limit as x goes to infinity, we're talking about what is happening to the graph as we go really far out to the right, okay? And our, the possibilities here, it could be going to infinity, it could be going to negative infinity. Maybe the graph doesn't even exist out there. There's all sorts of possibilities. Or sometimes the graph will level off. So here, these are called, these dotted lines are what we call horizontal asymptotes. And we'll talk more about them later. But they happen when our graph levels off as it goes to infinity. And here we can see it's leveling off at the y value 1. So we would say our limit as x goes to infinity of f of x is 1. And negative infinity is very similar. We're just going to the left now. What happens to the graph as it goes to the left forever? And again, it could go up to infinity. It could go down to negative infinity. Maybe it doesn't even exist. We don't know. But here we see it's leveling off at negative 1. So we'd say the limit was negative 1. Okay, so here when we talk about the limit as x goes to infinity or negative infinity, we're saying what happens as you go either as the graph goes off to the right or off to the left.